Hey guys, today I'm excited about something that a lot of you might get a kick out of it, but I found this scale. Looks like it's from stamps.com, not affiliated, not sponsored, but I found it particularly interesting because when I saw it, I tried to flip the switch on and it didn't turn on. Well, then I saw a USB port. Well, that's something that I've never had. I heard of them. I never had one because I don't really do a lot of shipping and all that kind of stuff. Maybe that has to do with it. But to have a scale that's USB powered, it just looked too cool not to grab it for whatever price it was and show it to all of you guys. And I'm gonna plug it in and see how this thing works, because to me it's a novel thing. To you it might be maybe ridiculous that I'm even talking about, but hey, we all have our own things, right? Right now it says 00, and I'm not sure how am I gonna show this to you on camera. And let me flip it on, and I hope you guys can see the numbers. Let me turn off some of the lights. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see it right here as, yep, now you can see it. And it's just, I don't know, to me it is very interesting that I've probably never seen a scale that's USB powered, and I just happen to have one of these old iPhones, and let's measure it. I put it here and it says 5 ounces. Not sure if you can see the ounces symbol right there on the side. As you see, it is in ounces, and yes, it is only 5 ounces, it says. But let's put something else, for example, now. Okay, did it go to 0? Yes, it went to 0. And let's measure something that will be our next thing. Here go the battery, and the battery says 6.9 ounces. Now, why do I think this is actually a beautiful scale is that you can take it with you, and let's say you're, I don't know, a vendor or something that you're selling stuff. Well, let me unplug the USB, and you can actually connect it directly to a backup power, and you don't need to redo it. As you see, it just started, so you don't need to recharge batteries and all that other stuff. For example, you can just go straight up from your backup power. And let me put another phone, which is one of those cheapo phones, and it says 6.7 ounces right now for this phone. I take it off and it goes to 0. And there's nothing really too special about it per se, but just I had no idea this one was even a thing. These kind of USB powered scales, just I thought, okay, maybe I'll give it a shot when I saw it at the market, and here I am now showing it to you. And some of you, if you decide you want to laugh at it, please do so. I'm okay with that. But myself, I just found it too interesting to pass, and I'm gonna use it. So, for example, it goes up to 5 pounds, it says on the back. And this one might be a little bit too heavy. Let's see how heavy this marble is. That's a piece of marble. Okay, this one is 2 pounds and 15 ounces, which is not 5 pounds. So this one goes up to 5. And yes, don't ask me why I have this piece of marble. None of your business. It is none of my business either, actually, but I just happen to have it nearby. And all I wanted to show is that I found this scale, and yes, looks like it's made by, or at least it has a stamps.com stamp on it. Now, who makes it? I have no idea. I guess we could just search on the internet for who makes this kind of scale, but yeah, that's all I know about it. Let me unplug it and show you on the back real quick. That's what it says here. Stamps.com is here to help. Stainless steel, 5 pound digital postal scale. Model number is SDC 550, 5 pounds. Made in China, and there's nothing else here. It may not cause harmful interference. And that's pretty much all I can tell you about it, because that's all I know about it. And with that said, I hope you had a kick out of it and learned something today, and we will see you next time. Bye!